Hi, my name is Julie Anderson from DeLaval, and today I would like to show you how easily and quickly you can record events using the worker mode with DelPro Companion. So the worker mode is designed for you when you want to record events on a batch of animals, but where the result is expected to be different outcome. And what do I mean with this? Let's take an example that you are going out to pregnancy check 15 animals, and then you don't expect all of them to be positive. So this is the kind of workflow that this is designed for. So let's have a look in more details in Companion. So first you choose the worker mode. Then you have to select which action you want to work with. In this example, I'm taking pregnancy check. And after this option, you also need to choose which animals to work with. Here we have as an example the pregnancy check due attention reports. You also have the my list, and you have the live option. And with live option, that means that you can simply go out and scan the cows throughout the barns if you have it connected to a handheld reader. So now if you have your list of animals to preg check, you can simply select the animal here from the list, or if you have a handheld reader, just scan her out there in the barn. And the view that we are showing is having some important parameters on the top. For example, when she was last inseminated and how many times. And then your option is the result, positive, negative, or uncertain. If you choose positive, then on the second page, you also have to choose the effective insemination. In this case, we are suggesting that the last one is the effective one, but you can also choose a previous one if that's the case. Click the Save button, and it will all be sent to your DelPro computer. So if you are a farmer and working with your animals out in the barn, having DelPro Companion using worker mode, it's so efficient. So go out there and try it for yourself and see.